Let's see. 1,043 tokens to go swimming in the water pound. Countdown ends in 15 minutes. 1,043 tokens. That's the first 5 to swim in the water pond. Mess up my nice dress and all that. Just for EBTV. Ain't that something? 5 tokens minus 1,043. I don't know. Somebody keep count. I'm ready. You got 15 minutes. 15 minutes to go swimming. Steak and Shake tipped another 5. Dark Colonel's keeping tabs on the tips. We got a counter here, Dark Colonel. Another 5 tokens from OZ. Keep count, please. You got 15 minutes. Yes, you do. I ain't playing. I'm down if you down. Let's see, it's 7:09 p.m. You got till, I tell you what, I give you the 7:28 p.m. 7:28. There go 28 tokens. Come on, y'all. I need a bath. Oh, yeah, I need a bath, y'all. EB need a bath. Come on now. The security looking at me. You see that? Oh my God, somebody tipped 1,000 tokens. Oh my God. And the security looking. You see? In the green. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Go away, security. Go away. Go away, security. Get out of here. Now. You gotta go, security. Oh. How many more tokens? Oh, he left. He left. He gone. Can you see good from here? Can you see good? Huh? You can? Did we get the count? He tipped 1,000. What did I ask for? Huh? How many did I ask for? Did I get it? I did? Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. I'm getting tension. Security. Hi, baby. I ain't took a bath in like 28 days, baby. That felt good, baby. Thank you. They got security. Here come the cartwheel. They got the bike in order. But guess what? We up in the hood, baby. We was born over here. We was born here, baby. Woo! Yes. Yes, we were. We was born here. We ain't tripping. We born here, baby. Sweetheart. Yes, baby, yes. Yes, damn. They called the SWAT team up on me. Look at this. It's SWAT team. They got the SWAT team out on me, baby. Yeah. Security. What's up, y'all? I'm just clowning, baby. We on EBTV. Yeah, we on EBTV. All right, baby. Oh, you the one from down there. Talking about you had sex yesterday. Quit lying. You didn't. Did you use a condom? Yeah. Did you lick her asshole? You ate her pussy? Did it smell good?
Yeah, it smelled real good.
Yeah, eat it again, man, homie. Yeah, you didn't pay for it, did you? You sure you didn't buy a 40 ounce or nothing, did you? Quit lying. Oh, they got my car right there. Hey, y'all have a great weekend, all right? Thanks for being a good sport. Yeah. West Side. Ooh. West Side in the house, baby. Reporting live from Los Angeles, California. You're watching EgyptBeauty, baby. EgyptBeauty on myfreecams.com. That's right. We sell again like we knew we could and always would. Yeah, that's right. We legends in the cam industry, baby. We don't mess around. We know how to get down. Yes, Yes, we do. Nobody does it better on the road shows than the almighty EgyptBeauty. Nobody, baby. Check this out, security. Nobody does it better than EB, homeboys. Woo! That's what I'm talking about.